Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn on or turn off your activity feed in your account on Gemini AI. For example, to save your chats and conversations or to not save them. So let us guide you through it. So head over to Gemini AI and click into this button at the left side panel, Gemini Apps Activity. That is going to redirect you to this menu here. So here what you want to do guys is disable the activity feed by selecting one of these options. It is usually set to, it is usually enabled on default, but you can turn it off and confirm that by clicking into this button here. Alternatively guys, you may also delete your activity. If you'd like to turn on the activity back, click into on here, click into got it, and now the activity is being stored again in your Google account. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.